Before you deposit a single dollar into any crypto exchange, listen up. Picking a wrong exchange could actually cost you your entire investment, either through hidden fees, poor customer support, or worse, hacking. There are thousands of crypto exchanges out there, but only a handful are safe. Today, I'm giving you the 4-factor checklist to choose the right crypto exchange. Let's break it down. So factor number 1 is validity. So the first thing that you have to do is to confirm that that exchange platform is actually available in your locality. It doesn't matter how good the platform is. If it doesn't support your country, you can't use it. For example, Binance supports most of the African countries. You can actually buy crypto, you can sell crypto, and you're able to use your local bank account. You can as well make use of your mobile money services. So here's the thing, always check for the list of supported countries before you sign up on a particular exchange platform. So the second factor on the list is actually reputation of the platform. You need to bear in mind that checking the reputation is of great significance, and the very people who can give you proper information on how good the platform is and how the services are the very people actually making use of it right now. Not the age-old users, those who had used it 4 years ago, 2 years ago, but the very people who are using the platform right now. So now, where can you find the reviews about that platform? You can actually check with Reddit. You can check with Trustpilot, as well as YouTube reviews. Now, here are the things that you need to watch out for. If you get to hear of delayed withdrawals and responsive support and frozen accounts, run the other way around. Factor number 3, the exchange rates as well as fees. Now, I want you to know this. It's very important to confirm the exchange rates of the platform before you happen to sign up on it. Here's why. It determines how much profit you can make. Likewise, using some crypto exchanges attracts fees. You should check to determine that you're comfortable with the extra fees even before you happen to sign up. Since the fees and methods of charging are usually determined internally, they usually differ one platform from the other. In most cases, however, exchanges charge a percentage of every trade. There are also withdrawal fees and limits that using a trading platform attracts. So you should actually take into account before you commit to signing up on a particular platform. Factor number 4 is the security system. This is actually the most critical factor. It is crucial to confirm the security system of an exchange platform even before you decide to deposit your crypto. Some crypto exchanges are prone to hacking, which is why it's very important that you safeguard your data. Now, before I sign up, let's recap the 4-factor checklist. Number 1, validity. Can you actually use it in your country? Then number 2, reputation. What are real users saying about it? Then number 3, the fees. Are the trading and withdrawal fees eating up your profits? Then number 4, security. Do they have cold storage and cyber-intrusion protection? It's always vital to make a research even before you happen to choose a crypto exchange. You can, however, be rest assured that Binance, Bybit still remain the best exchange platforms that offer top-notch security. I'll leave the links for Bybit and Binance in the description section so that you can easily sign up on them. I'll see you in the next video.